Hello everyone, welcome to another video. I am Ananya Bhuya, currently doing my masters in oceanography. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can easily import Excel data into ArcGIS Desktop. As usual, we know we have to click on Add Data and we have to click on Add Data, then we have to select the data file. I'm clicking on my data and here we can say failed to connect to database and underlying database error occurred class not registered. So let's work on it. Let's check how to fix it. Okay. Sometimes what we can do is simply we convert the version of our Excel file. Here it is in xlsx format. We have to save it in Excel 2003 format or .xlsx format. Now check what happens if we try to import that .xlsx format file. Here I am adding it. Okay, selecting the sheet, adding. We can see that our sheet is added. Now I am right clicking on the file and trying to check out the data. I'm opening the file. So my longitude and latitude values are simply showing null values. So what can I do to fix it? Okay, I'm removing the file. Here from the catalog window, I'm clicking on toolboxes. Then from system toolboxes, I am selecting conversion tools. From here Excel, then Excel to table. Then I have to select my data. Again I am selecting from desktop. Okay. Now I'm clicking on open. Okay. Now it will take a while to load the data. I am right clicking on my file and checking on properties table. Here you can see that my longitude and latitude values remain the same which were earlier in the Excel file. Now here if we need, we can display the XY data. Okay, then clicking on OK, I can plot the data. Later you can add your base map or anything else or any other map of your study area for further map. Yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. And if you find the video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and please let me know in the comment section how the video helped you and on which topic I can make further videos. Thanks for watching.